If you decided to manually switch from Guesty For Hosts to Guesty Lite, it's highly recommended to follow a few important steps that will ensure the change goes as smoothly as possible. Guesty has packages to suit every size of business. So if you have 4 or more listings, or if you are managing properties on behalf of others, consider the Guesty Pro package and contact us to schedule a demo. If you're a host with up to 3 listings, begin by signing up to Guesty Lite with your current Guesty For Hosts account email address. Now log in to your Guesty For Hosts account and save any information you would like to keep, such as past and future reservations, income reports, and past invoices. In addition, make sure to deactivate any third-party smart pricing or cleaning tools. Next, head over to your Airbnb account and remove Guesty For Hosts as the connectivity provider so it can be reconnected to Guesty Lite later on. If your Guesty For Hosts account is connected to Vrbo, we recommend reading the information in our Help Center article to make sure you are aware of all the changes and requirements this switch will entail. It's time to cancel your Guesty For Hosts account. Click Menu, then Account, and then Subscription. Here, click Cancel Subscription, then Here, and choose Other as the reason. It's also recommended to fill this box with a text saying you decided to switch to Guesty Lite, so our team can handle the request more efficiently. It's very important to complete this step to prevent additional billing. Now log in to your new Guesty Lite account and connect your Airbnb account by clicking Distribution, Airbnb, and then Here. Follow the steps on the screen to complete the connection process. When done, you can also click Distribution and then Booking.com or Vrbo to connect those channels as well if relevant. Keep in mind, manual information from Guesty For Hosts will not be imported into Guesty Lite, so you can recreate any relevant manual blocks in the calendar. Finally, click Subscribe and then Here to fill in your billing information and choose your new subscription. If you had an annual subscription to Guesty For Hosts, reach out to us to ensure you're not being billed twice. Congratulations! The switch is complete and you can continue setting up your Guesty Lite account by importing iCal links, reconnecting with your add-ons, marketplace integrations, and more, while enjoying Guesty Lite's smart, easy, and professional solution. If you want to learn more, feel free to continue browsing our Help Center. Thanks for watching.